Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Question first. This experiment tracks more than temperature, and we can spot the extra relationship fast by seeing exactly what variables the graphs separate. The setup compares DMSP production in corals and in their symbiotic algae, so one extra relationship already being studied is who produces additional DMSP, not just temperature alone. Then Figure 1 splits the data into juvenile and adult coral under normal and stressed conditions, which means age is another variable built directly into the experiment. Nice. That makes the added relationship symbiont-produced DMSP plus coral age, while light levels in coral species never appear anywhere in the described setup. Well done! Option B, scan now. Trap, rushing, and inventing variables. Rule, trust what is given, then check the experimental split carefully.